today I'm showing you room tour starting with my room. Okay, so right here is my room. It's really beautiful. So now let's move on to the next room. Okay, so here's my kitchen. So we have a really beautiful kitchen. It's very aesthetic. Look at me. No camera, you gotta stay at me, okay? Okay. Stay at me. Anyways, so this is my very aesthetic kitchen. Up here. Okay. So here's my very aesthetic kitchen. Stay. My very aesthetic kitchen, as you can see. We have, actually, I need to go grab my cup. Hold on. Just stop the video. Cup. Super aesthetic. No, look at me. My aesthetic cup. Very aesthetic. Look at how cute it is. Very aesthetic. Anyways, let's move on to the next room. Okay, so here's my living room. It's super aesthetic, like my cup. I said like my cup. Look at me. Like my cup, very aesthetic. Like my cup. Like my awesome cup. It's very aesthetic. Now come on, let's go back to the kitchen so I can grab. I'll just see you in the next room. Bye. Okay, so as you can see, here's the room. So yeah, we have her bed, we have her chair, and that's it. So let's go to the next room. Okay, so is my head like not cut off? No. Okay, then, so just make sure it's not cut off. Anyways, so here's my very aesthetic bathroom. And stop zooming in my face.
I am not.
You really are. I know you are. I can see it in the mirror. You are. Okay, come on. Let's go to the next room. Okay, so here's my very aesthetic closet. You guys should all love it. So come here. Okay, so we have all my pretty stuff. Then we also got a bathroom like next door. That's the bathroom we just showed. So, anyways, so last room is. Anyways, that's all for our room tour, our house tour. So bye. Bye.